Hello guys, what's up? Today I'm going to solve this hacker rank problem based on the array. The array, what is array? You might ask what is the array? Array is a linear data structure which store data in the sequential manner. It means it will start storing from the 0 index and it will goes to n minus 1. So this is the very basic about the array. You will be given a array with some value. You have to find out the sum of the array, but considering the array can be a very large, so that we will solve in that the manner, so we can pass the all test cases. As mentioned in the problem, in this challenge you are the required to calculate and print the sum of the element in an array, keeping in the mind that some of those integer might be quite large. It is possible to we can get input 1 2 3 4 5 like this, or we can get the input in millions also. So we need to consider all the test cases so that our function will not break in any conditions. Okay, function description: complete the very big array sum function in the editor below. It must return the sum of the all array element. Finally we have to return the sum of the all array which will be given as a argument of the functions. Okay, return integer the sum of the all array element. Here is the constraint: the element in the array can be greater than 1 and less than or equal to the 10, and the element of the array can be 10 to the power can be a 0 to the power 1 or the 10 to the power 10. It can be a very large number. Here is a given a hints. Range of the integer value is given in between these. If we will keep adding in the variable of the type of integer, then it might exceed the range, and it can't store, then it will goes into the negative. So we need to consider all these things. As you may see here, return type is also given long type, so I'm going to declare a variable result as a type of long. Okay, and initializing from the 0. I'm using for each loop to iterate the all element present in the array item in array array. We need to find out the sum result plus is equal to ar. Okay, and finally return result. If you don't know how to use for each array, for each loop, it is used only for the enumeration purpose. If you having a given a list of the item, then you can use for each loop to only iterate the item in a sequential manner. In this array we have a given, I am just iterating it element present in the array and storing adding into the result variable, and finally I am returning the result. It will return the sum of the given array. Let me submit this the code for the validation result. Sorry, I make some mistake here, it's typing mistake. Okay, let again run this. Plus equal operator is not allowed here. Okay, then I will use a curly braces. It will make simple, and result plus, yeah, sorry, I need to add this item because in each iteration this item is storing the current element present in the array. So we can go through the previous code also, plus equal item. Okay, yeah, it passed the sample test case. Let me run this code. Yeah, it passed the all test case. Guys, if you like this video, then don't forget to share with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Thank you.